So here's the layout that we're gonna have on our property with 6 tilapia tanks, 1 quarantine tank for bringing in fish, and several floating gardens. As you can see in the middle here, there are going to be also some filter tanks. I'm going to show you guys exactly what this all looks like outside, and off we go. I almost forgot, this is the flow distribution that you'll see here. And as you can see, there is a power on and a power outage level on the tanks that we're gonna see where they're going down below. This is the physical filtration. You'll see down here. Physical filtration. You'll see I have a test going. This is sedimentation filtration. It's a different kind of thing, and this will be filtering out waste via plants. So let's go see how this sets up. So here we are at the quarantine tank, and you can see the water inlets up top here, flowing pretty good. These are actually venturis. It's a different type of system. They work like a power head that draws air into the water flow using the Bornelli principle. But this is actually functioning better because of the baskets we have to separate the fish. Look at the fish there. Aren't they pretty? Yeah. Okay. So this is the upper level where the tanks and the fish are. Now we'll go over here and I'll show you. We have a huge mess here. I've been working all week. I'll show you the sedimentation system. Now what this does is it receives all of the water from the tank over here in these L-shaped tubes. This tube goes all the way down to the bottom with a crown like that on the bottom and pulls all the fish waste out of the tank. That goes through this tube into this tank. As you can see here, there is a hook-shaped tube down there that points the flow of the water up into this canister. And as it reaches the surface, the water spreads out and slows the flow down, and then all of the waste fall out through gravity. They're filtered out. Now the water flow from here goes through this pipe, follows this canal down here. I've got everything in canals so that we don't trip over the tubing and everything. Goes down here to this first attempt. This is a test tank. And all of the water gets filtered out in here and then passes through this carbon, filtering out, and goes down there. Like I said, all this is on canals and everything. Now this, as I said, is a test. Right now, say hi to the workers. These guys are out here clearing the land so that I can put in the floating gardens. Down here, as you can see, the water is clearing out. This was dark green and you could not see through it at all. Now it's a little better, and it's clearing up. It's slowly clearing up. See that flow? That is about 30,000 liters, 9,000 gallons of water per hour flowing through that tube. And then it goes straight back up there to the tank. Now, over here, we're going to put floating gardens, and they will hold, they're 2 meters by 12 meters, 13 meters, by 70 centimeters tall. So they're going to hold about 12, 24, just over 28,000 liters of water. Okay, and the reason I have the upper and lower limits for the power outage is because I don't want to have to replace this water all the time, because it's rainwater. And I can't count on rain to come exactly when I need to replace the water. So, there you have it. Yeah, this is where we filtered and sanded all of the charcoal and made it into a size fitting for the filter. Okay, so here are the other tanks. These are not ready yet, but as you can see the tubes up top, you can see that we are getting ready to equip them and get them populated with fish. This one has had our discard fish in it for 4 months, I think. And it's full of babies. They reverted back to male and female instead of just male, and now we have babies in this tank. We also have my turtle. You see over there? Let me see if I can get a good view of her. Yeah, there we see her head. That's Lady. Say hi. Okay, so that's about it. Pretty neat little system going on, and lots of mess everywhere, but you can see this is the Venturi system, like I said. Now this was to allow air in. Now what happens is air would be pulled in through here and out through here and produce bubbles. But this way falling in is just as good, I think. And it's hard to fit the whole system in here with the basket, so that'll just be on the tanks. Okay, that's just to show a little bit about the whole system. All right, have a good one, guys.